Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share crispy chicken balls recipe. Chicken 500 grams. Green chili 2 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Meat masala 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Chopped onion 1 cup. Breadcrumbs 1/4 cup. Blend well. Done. Chicken mixture transfer to the bowl. Oil 2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Rest for 20 minutes. Spring roll pastry. Cut small pieces. Done. After 20 minutes, make a chicken ball. Coat with spring roll pastry. All done. Fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.